What is a computer?
Computer is an electronic machine.
Is a computer a machine?
Yes.
Yes. अच्छा, name two parts of a computer.
Monitor,
हाँ.
CPU,
Keyboard.
keyboard.
चलिए 3 हो गया. Okay. Which part of a computer looks like a TV? TV की तरह कौन सा कंप्यूटर का पार्ट दिखता है?
Monitor.
Very good. Can we listen music on a computer?
Yes.
Yes. Where do we use computer in school?
Computer lab.
Very good. A computer can eat and drink. Can we draw pictures on a computer? Full form of CPU? Central?
Central processing unit.
Very good. Does a computer makes mistake?
No.
Very good. Clapping करिए इसके लिए सब. 20 में 20.